In this video, I'll guide you through how to use retention reports in Google Analytics 4. Retention reports help you understand how well your website or app keeps users coming back over time, which is a key indicator of how engaging your content or product really is. We'll walk through how to get to the right place in your Google Analytics 4 property so you can start exploring these insights and using them to make better decisions. First, open your web browser and go to analytics.google.com. This is the main entry point for Google Analytics. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with the Google account that has access to your analytics properties. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of your accounts and properties. Select the Google Analytics 4 property you want to work with. It's important to make sure you're in a GA4 property, not a Universal Analytics one, because the layout and features are different. After your GA4 property loads, you'll land on the home screen. From here, we want to move into the reporting area where all your standard reports live. Look to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Reports. This opens up the main reporting navigation, which is organized into different sections to help you find the data you need. When you click on Reports, you'll notice a section called Life Cycle. This area focuses on the different stages of the user journey from acquisition to engagement, monetization, and retention. To access the retention reports, look within this Life Cycle section and click on Retention. The retention report will now open. You'll typically see a visual overview of how users are returning to your site or app over days, weeks, or even months after their first visit. The charts often show how many users you keep over time and how that changes across different cohorts or groups of users who started using your product at the same time. Take a moment to look at the default time range in the top right corner of the screen. You can adjust this date range to focus on a specific period that matters to you, like the last 30 days or the past quarter. Changing the date range can help you see how recent changes you've made, such as a new feature or marketing campaign, might be affecting user retention. Within the retention report, you may also see metrics like user retention rate, returning users, and engagement over time. These metrics help you understand not just whether people come back, but how actively they use your product when they do. For example, a higher retention rate usually means your users are finding ongoing value, while a declining curve might signal that people are losing interest after their first visit. You can often use filters or comparisons to break down retention by dimensions like country, device type, or traffic source. While we're not adding any extra steps beyond navigating to this report, keep in mind that these options are available right within the same screen and can give you deeper insight into which audiences are most loyal. To recap, you start by going to analytics.google.com, then opening the reports section, and from there, under the lifecycle area, you click on retention. Once you're in that retention report, you're in the right place to explore how well your product keeps users coming back, adjust your date range, and start interpreting the charts and metrics you see. That's all you need to access retention reports in Google Analytics 4 and begin using them to understand your user behavior over time.